Even as the army continues to battle infiltrators at the borders, it has begun the process of demining several areas near the line of control and handing over the land to the villagers. This is happening in the border areas where the army itself had laid a huge amount of mines at the height of the Kargil conflict in 1999 and Operation Parakram a few years later.
It's an unusual battle at the line of control between India and Pakistan. Jawans and their machines working overtime to clear landmines they themselves had laid, so that fields at the border once again become safe for farming.
सन 47 के वक्फे के टाइम से लगे हुए हैं, तो इन माइनफील्ड के रिकॉर्ड फॉर्म कई बार नहीं होते, तो हम हमारे जवान डेलिबरेट उसकी डीमाइनिंग करते हैं, एक एक इंच को हम क्लियर करते हैं ताकि कोई बाद में एक्सीडेंट का कोई चांस ना रहे, और इसलिए तभी जैसे कि आपको मैंने बताया हमें 2 महीने लगे इस माइन को क्लियर करने के लिए.
Fields in the border village were taken over by the security forces and mined at the time of the Kargil conflict in 1999 and Operation Parakram in 2001 after the attack on Parliament. Villagers had already left the area fearing war. After the ceasefire with Pakistan in November 2003, the army was determined to give land back to their rightful owners, except stretches like this, which are too close to the border. Now, after more than a decade, the army has decided to vacate this land as well.
मैं आर्मी का बहुत तादिली से शुक्रगुजार हूँ कि जिन्होंने ये मेन निकाले, और यहाँ कितने डंगर गरीबों लोगों के नुकसान हो गए, बच्चे नुकसान हो गए, तो इसी में आगे भी हम ये उम्मीद करते हैं कि आगे मेन बहुत ही इसमें उखरी में बहुत मेन है कि वो भी घरों के नज़दीक हैं, वो निकाले जाएं.
But the demining is a difficult process. Sometimes because of snow and rainfall, the minefields get drifted. This happens in areas where there is a slope. Thick vegetation also makes mine detection difficult. The process gets complicated when there are no records of the mines planted. There's been a spurt in the infiltration attempts and encounters near the line of control, but that's not stopped the army from going ahead with its demining programs. Clearly, they are confident that they'll be able to safeguard all the areas despite the provocation. In Srinagar with Amit Sharma, Zafar Iqbal for NDTV.